The Bin2Grid study tour was organized to the company Bionerval in the south part of the Paris region. The company treats 50,000 tons per year food and beverage waste from more than 500 customers. The waste is brought by Bionerval's collection service as well as from a transfer station in the north, Paris region and other external companies. The type of waste are about 200 pallets per day of expired products and some liquid waste. The annual turnover of 5 million euro is made by 60% gate fee and 40% sales of electricity. The site is equipped with a deconditioning unit and a washing unit where containers and bins are cleaned after its use. The deconditioning unit is fed with the whole packet. Also glass bottles and tins are put into this unit, so there is nearly no need for separation before deconditioning. This process smashes the packaging and separate into two fractions. One is the soup, where most of the bio waste is, and the second is the heavy fraction, with glass and packaging, for example. A hydrocyclone separates the heavy fraction from the light one, with a capacity of 10 tons per hour. So far, packaging materials are sent to incineration. A project of separation of the various materials to be sent to recycling is under construction. Packaging amounts about 5 to 10% of the input. To comply with the regulation on animal byproducts, the soup is sent to a sanitation unit where it is heated to 70 degrees Celsius for at least 1 hour. To reduce energy losses, 2 tanks are used. While one is filled by the soup, the other one is emptied and heat is transferred between the tanks. This sanitation process is currently the critical step, that's why this process is optimized continuously. After sanitation, the soup is sent to a storage tank, where it can be kept up to 3 days. The soup is transported then to the first step of biological degradation in a 3,500 cubic meter tank, where it is kept 1 month. Every hour, a part of it is sent to post-digestion in a tank with the same size for 1 month. The produced biogas can be stored for a short time. When the maintenance is too long, the excess of biogas is sent to a flare. 75% of the biogas is produced in the digester and 25% in the post-digester. Before the gas is sent to the engines, it is cooled and desulfurized to decrease the H2S content. The biogas is used in 2 engines to produce 2 megawatt electric power in total and sold to the public grid. The produced heat is used to heat the digestate, sanitation process, an oil recycling plant and the office building. 50,000 cubic meters of liquid digestate with good fertilizing values are produced each year. The digestate is stored before it is transported to the farmers. Farmers can reduce the use of chemical fertilizers by 50%. The digestate is regarded as waste, which limits the quantities that can be spread. Bionerval is working on end-of-waste criteria. As for today, Bionerval is paying both for transport and spreading on land.
Today, as a plant manager of Bionerval Étampes, I'm really proud on a daily basis to transform about 50,000 tons of bio-waste each year and transform them into electricity, heat and fertilizer. That's really our goal and we are proud of that.